the moment, we're stuck. Our sheep got out at Summerhill through a gap up there that we have currently blocked with a hurdle. When Father is going to get some more. And so we're a bit screwed. So we got a phone call from one of the neighbours saying, oh, your sheep have got out. I think there's like 6 or 10 out. There's 13 out. So we just sort of like, we came, and then we came down the lane. They were by cattle grid that kept them back. So we parked there. We've now jumped out, chased them through 3 fields, one over there, over like there, and this one, where they were meant to be, but they got out through there, and one of the people who walk on the side, so left in this field, they go over there open, so 13 of the Welsh Ewes got out by the cattle grid, as I said. So we're currently waiting for my father to come with another hurdle. I had to run back to the car from here to like a mile or something to get a knife, something to record this, so he could get that spare hurdle to go there. You okay? Alright guys, so now I am going to check a gate, and on the way back from that, I'm going to attempt to count all of the sheep in the field. It's going to be quite hard because of the dip there, so I'm just going to try my best. And yeah, that's the current update on the situation. So now I'm trying to decide if that needs a hurdle or not. I'm going to probably say it does. Some of these ewes are quite small. So now I'm going to try count all of them. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Can't count because of the blinking bush.
So all of the sheep are back in, so between me and Sid we've put them back in. Actually in the field they were first in when they came here about 2 months ago or something. But we've actually had a bit of regrowth on it, so they'll be alright for a day or two. While we just fix one broken gate, and there's another gate on a footpath that they could easily probably get out of. Stroke someone leave a gate, they get out again. So yeah, they broke their way out this time, but we'll try to patch it a bit. They're all back in now, so no harm done, I guess. So that's great. So we've just weaned these piglets. I'm going to just put them in a different pen so we can put a sow in here. So we're getting a little bit closer with the farrowing than I'd like really for the next one. Piglets next to this pen are a couple of days younger, so we're going to leave them for a few days. These ones are fine now, so yeah, let's do that now. Try to steer them in. We've got plenty of fresh straw to go with. Feed them on the ground because that's what they're used to. They're a little bit confused, I think. Alright guys. So these guys are in here now, which means the pen they came out of is empty. So I've cleaned it out and restrawed it. So one of the sows removed the other day into the pen up here. We're just going to put into the farrowing pen now, and then the sister can stay out there for a few days. She farrows out there at least on her own, decent house, decent fence. Hopefully she doesn't farrow for a few days, and once you've weaned the other litter, you can bring her in next to her sister. So this is one of our Eleanor sows, and you see she's just come into the shed from outside. See, she's just starting to fill up on her sort of bags. Not really quite yet, but you can see there's a bit of shape forming now. She won't be long. Obviously dirty because she's been outside, but 2 days on a straw she'll soon clean up. And here the piglets in the background from the other litter eating.
Good girl. You're a good girl. She's moving to Victor. We weaned her a couple of days ago. The 28th of November, but he's being a busy boy.
So we've just tagged, wormed and tattooed a litter of Pedigree Welsh Pigs. So they're out of an Eleanor Sow and a Victor Boar. Yeah, so there's a couple of good ones in there, mostly boars actually. 2 with the green paint have got breeding potential, nice underline. One of the 2's got slightly smaller ears at this point, but still young to decide on that. So if there's anyone interested in possibly a boar, then there's one there and there are 2 there actually. So the 2 are right next to each other. So those are the 2 that have got the right underline and the right kind of proportions. And I think the one on the left's got the better ears. You can see the one on the right there has got slightly small ears. I think the one up on the left is probably the one that would stand most of a chance of being registered. See how he grows over the next few weeks and months. How's Guy? How's Guy? Good. It's quite well healed now, isn't it? Does it? So Victor's got, well, he's had 4 fresh sows in the week, 3 today. So he's just serving the second one of the day. So it's like Saturday the 30th of November, I think. So it's not just playing, that's getting the job done. Second time today, so. So 3 of the 4 rams we've got. These 3 are the 3 that we're serving in different groups of ewes at the birth ram. Just put them together, haven't taken the ewes off, so they're just having a little squabble to establish dominance. Well, the 2 smaller ones are, the bigger one knows who's boss. It's pretty normal ram behaviour really. Although you definitely don't want to get in between them when they're doing it, because they're surprisingly strong. What's Victor up to? Busy eating a sow. Ah, there he goes, making sure of the job. He's already served her, so I think he's just having fun at the moment. Got a bit of a harem, that's his second sow that we've seen him make of the day. He's a little bit tired, to be honest. Don't know, not that tired. He's ready to go again. You can see he's a bit. The sow's quite dirty where he's been on and off the back. It's because Victor spends all of his time outside, as do most of the sows. All the breeding is done outside. I think he's quite happy with that at the moment. So 2 ewes and 2 ewe lambs. Well, we're not even over the gate yet, and they're already meeting us in a fairly big field, to be honest. We'll find a dry spot somewhere, a bit wet by the gate.
It's dry.
Yeah, it's just up a bit there, it's just, there's a bit of a dip here, so that'll be alright. Doing okay. You see they're actually starting to gain a little bit of condition. The lambs are in nice condition, to be fair, and the ewes are improving a bit. So these ewes haven't been to the ram. They're starting to look okay. They were quite thin, but they're starting to fill out a bit. Good news.